From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning. I'm student meteorologist Denys Khrulov here with your Friday morning campus weather service forecast. So this morning over Beaver Stadium we have mostly cloudy skies with fairly mild temperatures. Here at Beaver Stadium sitting at 57 degrees with a dew point of 50 degrees, making it feel a little bit muggy outside. And we do have that south-southwesterly wind at 3 miles per hour helping to advect in those warmer temperatures. Anyway, here are the weather headlines over the next few days. Temperatures will stay well above average over the next 48 hours, but we will see that come to an end as we see a cold front begin to move into our region, allowing for rain showers to end the weekend. And we're going to have temperatures plummet to begin the week and the potential for the first winter precipitation sometime next week. More on that later. Anyway, right now temperatures across the Commonwealth are fairly well above average. Again, here in St. Cloud sitting at 57, but further west we're having temperatures in the low to mid 60s. Erie almost at 70 degrees just this morning, and across eastern PA the same story, mid 50s to low 60s. These temperatures are what you would normally see as an average high at this time of the year, so the fact that we're already starting at that temperature early this morning means that we have a fairly mild day ahead. And looking at temperatures across the entire Commonwealth, I like playing the game during this time of the year. Find the cold front, not too hard to find this morning as we see the big temperature contrast across much of the central United States. And look at that cold air being bottled up across the north central United States. That is going to be heading our way as we head into early next week. But don't worry, we're not going to be seeing temperatures in the teens just yet. Just a little bit colder than average. And we're looking at the radar and satellite this morning. We do have some showers that are moving through central PA, but these are mostly up in the upper parts of the atmosphere. Since it is fairly dry at the surface, these aren't really making it down to the surface, but we should see these clouds and light showers clear out this afternoon and evening. And if we look at the whole United States as a view, not much going on. We do have this cold front that is moving through the central United States, but it's not providing a lot of precipitation. We do have some snow showers moving through parts of Minnesota that was part of a fairly rapid winter storm that impacted much of Montana, but that is starting to move out of that area, leaving mostly clear conditions. Anyway, looking at our future radar again this morning, staying mostly cloudy with again a few showers, but not making it really to the ground this morning because of the dry air. But as we move into this afternoon, it's going to get sunny and fairly quote-unquote hot because we're going to see temperatures make it to the potentially mid to upper 70s, so not feeling like the end of October by any means. But as we move into the evening overnight, we're going to see those clouds move back in. But look, past midnight, we're going to be still in the mid 60s. So if you're planning to head out tonight, especially if you're doing any Halloween festivities, it's going to be a fairly mild night, not what you would expect for late October. And as we head into tomorrow morning, if you're planning to start tailgating, especially for the football game tomorrow, a few showers may be around, but otherwise just mostly cloudy with a few peaks of sunshine possible, and then moving through the afternoon tomorrow, staying just mostly cloudy with fairly mild conditions, but not as warm as today. And then moving into Sunday, unfortunately, we're going to have this cold front begin to move into our area, allowing for widespread precipitation to make a comeback. And look at that, temperatures by Sunday morning, we're going to be dropping back down into the 40s. So again, if you're planning to get out over the next 48 hours, make sure to do so. Go check out the fall foliage because come Sunday, we're going to have this rain move back in. Cooler temperatures will follow, and then gusty winds next week, which will rapidly make the fall foliage come to an end. But anyways, as we head into Sunday afternoon and evening, the showers will continue to stick around. And looking at the future range, by Monday we're going to have another batch of showers move in with the advancing cold front, but they should be mostly during the early afternoon hours. So by Monday late afternoon and evening, we should see those clear out. Tuesday looks to be a pretty sunny day, but it's going to be well below average with highs only making it into the mid 40s. And what gets interesting is what happens on Wednesday. So we're going to have this low pressure system develop off the northeast coast as we head into Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. And that's going to send a pretty large precipitation show to its northwest. And with cold air in place, look at that. We have some snow coming across portions of New England and even into our home state. Here in PA, we could see a few mixed precipitation showers, even making down potentially in State College. More on that in a little bit, but otherwise, watching the potential for the first winter precipitation system of the season come Tuesday night into Wednesday. There's still a little bit model disagreement on how strong the system will get. The more stronger the system gets, probably the more precipitation we see on the back end, which could potentially lead to a little bit more winter precipitation. The weaker the system stays, the less precipitation we'll see. Maybe we'll just see a few lake effect mixed showers. But anyway, something to watch and keep an eye on as we head into the middle of next week. But otherwise, it should not be a major threat. If it does snow, it will not be accumulating on any surfaces. And then by Thursday, we're going to have the mix of sun and clouds return as that low pressure system moves out of the area. And what's been driving this warmer pattern over the last few days is we have this upper level ridge with over much of the southeast United States and northeast United States. That is allowing for much warmer air to come in out of the south. So again, very, very warm regime, but that will be changing as we head into this weekend, into early next week. Look, as we see, we have this trough begin to dig into portions of the south, mid-central United States and settle into the eastern United States. So the pattern does a complete reversal. We have winds that will be coming out of the northwest come on Wednesday, which will usher in much colder air into our region, the coldest air of the season yet. So if you're looking to the colder temperatures, get excited because the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook does have much of the central and eastern United States at a favorable probability of seeing below normal temperatures, at least for the 6 to 10 day period. But as we head towards after this period, I feel like we'll see another warm up. But otherwise, after Saturday, it's going to get quite chilly for quite a while. Anyway, today, high of 76 degrees with partly cloudy conditions. It's going to be very warm. Get outdoors and enjoy this because this might be the last highest, warmest day we'll see of the year. As we head into tonight, it's only going to jump down to 61 degrees with mostly cloudy conditions. It's going to be very mild. Won't be needing your sweaters or jackets if you're planning to head out tonight because it's going to be very mild. And then for the game tomorrow, we're going to see temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s with a mix of sun and clouds. You shouldn't be worrying about precipitation tomorrow. But anyways, for tomorrow overall outlook, we'll see a high of 72 degrees with, again, mostly cloudy, so partly cloudy in the game, but the clouds will increase in the afternoon and evening. And we could have a stray shower, just an isolated chance during the evening hours, but not a big threat. The bigger threat will come on Sunday. Anyway, taking a look at the 7-day outlook, again, we're going to see these warm temperatures stick around as the front begins to near our area on Saturday and Sunday. We're going to see the widespread precipitation return. Monday, we're going to see a rapid drop-off in temperatures with highs only making it into the lower 50s. And as we go into Tuesday for Halloween, high temperatures only making it to the mid-40s with lows dipping down to around freezing. And look at that Wednesday, highs only making it potentially into the upper 30s to low 40s with rain showers likely. Could have a few flakes mixed in here in Happy Valley, but look at that Wednesday night, temperatures will be dropping down to the 20s potentially for the first time this season. And Thursday, while the sun will be coming out, it won't be getting too warm with highs only making it into the mid-40s. So again, very cold outlook ahead. Get outside and enjoy the warmth over the next 48 hours. Anyway, I'm student meteorologist Denys Khrulov. Have a great weekend and week ahead.